All right, now let's make a tiny change to this application. So in the app folder, open up app.component.ts. Now, if you have never worked with TypeScript before, don't worry about this code. As we go through the course, I'm going to break this up for you so you will know exactly what is happening here. So all I want you to do here is to change this string from app to Angular app. Now save the file. Back in the terminal, look at this message, Webpack compiling. So Angular CLI uses a tool called Webpack, which is a build automation tool. It gets all our scripts and style sheets, combines them, puts them in a bundle, and then minifies that bundle. And this is for optimization. So here you can see we have a few bundles like polyfills, which includes all the scripts to fill the gap between the version of JavaScript that Angular needs and the version of JavaScript supported by most browsers out there. We have main bundle, which is all the source code of our application. We have styles bundle, which includes all our style sheets. And note that here style sheets are actually stored in a JavaScript bundle. You're going to see that in a second. We also have this vendor bundle, which includes all the third-party libraries. Now, at the time of recording this video, unfortunately, Angular CLI does not allow you to customize the name of these bundles or add additional bundles. But there is a discussion going on GitHub. Chances are this may change in the future. Now, that aside, what I want you to note here is that whenever you change one of your files, whether that file being a style sheet, a TypeScript file, or an HTML file, Webpack automatically recompiles your application and refreshes your bundles. So now here at the bottom, you can see Webpack compiled successfully. Now, if you go back to the browser, look, without me even refreshing this page, now we have the new title, Welcome to Angular app. So this is a feature of Webpack called hot module replacement or hot module reloading. So whenever one of the source files is modified, Webpack automatically refreshes your browser. Now let's right click on this page and go to view page source. On the bottom of this page, look at these script tags. So all the bundles that Webpack generated, it also injected them into our index.html. So just to refresh your memory, here in index.html, look, we don't have any references to a style sheet or a script file. So this is something that happens at runtime. So Webpack automatically injects these scripts into our index.html. Now let's take a look at this styles.bundle.js. So basically what we have here is some JavaScript, and in the middle of this JavaScript code, you can find the styles used in your application. Now how this works is a little bit complicated, so don't worry about it for now. What I want you to know is that all your style sheets are compiled into a JavaScript bundle.